Bug Eye Guys, and this is Allison's green Bug Eye from Bring a Trailer. You may remember this is a Bug Eye that we showcased when it came in from the Bring a Trailer auction, and we had a long list. Well, we're now finished with its needs, and we put in LED lights. That's kind of right in my eyes, but a wonderful upgrade for visibility. We use these as daytime running lights. They're really bright, of course, help people to see you coming, a little like a motorcycle with the headlights on, or a motorcycle with fork lights to give you more perspective for oncoming drivers. But more importantly, so this was a massive project. It took us roughly 3 weeks. We put in a brand new engine. Let's come under the hood and take a quick look here. I'll turn off the lights. So this engine, if you remember from the video that I made when we first got the car, was hemorrhaging oil, so we removed it. This is a different engine. The engine that was in here was hemorrhaging oil. We put in a new heater valve, which we can turn off now. We bled the air out of it, but for summertime you don't need that. We put in a new starter, solenoid, a new electronic distributor, new oil pressure gauge line. All of these things were dressed up as needed. Alternator, generator, aluminum radiator, 6-blade fan, twin HS2 carburetors, so 1/8 of an inch bigger than the 1.125" that came with the car. Everything here is super tidy now. It's all been out and made beautiful. We put in silicone brake fluid, I see, as well, and I think that's a new master cylinder, K&N lifetime air filters, on and on and on. Why did we do all this? To make it a great car. You know, it was a beautiful car that had some drivability challenges, and we've now addressed all of those and made a car that will go 70 miles an hour down the highway quite pleasantly for all day if you want it to. And that's what I think is special about this project and about this opportunity. So if you're interested in purchasing a car and you can't find one you like from us, we hope you'll consider sending us your new purchase so that we can make this transformation. Fair warning, I believe the work we just did was more expensive than the purchase price of the car. So there's a lot here. Of course, a new engine, and I didn't mention we put in a new ripcase transmission. If you remember, the smooth case that was in the car when we got it was making an awful first gear noise when I drove it down the driveway. So all that has been rectified, and now it doesn't make any noise. It's a much better product, and it's really a delight to drive. Let's take another quick look over here. I think we also put in a header and a twin tip exhaust system here that's quite special. We didn't really do a whole lot in the interior, but we did put in 3-point seat belts so that you have a little bit nicer bond with your car as you're kind of at one with the car. I really like using these 3-point belts, and they certainly will reduce the likelihood of hitting your head on the steering wheel in a low-speed crash. And we put in an ignition switch guillotine to secure all of this, because the original switches were a little bit fragile in terms of the way they were secured to the dash. So we have this guillotine that helps. And then we put in a larger dash mirror, so it's a little bit easier to see who's behind you. All in all, this car is transformed, new Pirelli tires that I really like a lot. That makes a big difference. The ride is quite pleasant. There are new shock absorbers all around. There's a long list of stuff, but a great Bug Eye now. Congratulations, Allison, and thanks for watching from Bug Eye Guys.